Okay, it's time for a Polygon price prediction, guys. Welcome back to the channel. You guys know how I feel about Polygon MATIC. It's one of my favorite altcoins out there. However, we could be getting ready for a massive opportunity. I say that because the price could be getting ready to tumble further here, and I want to be able to pounce on this thing when it hits some certain key levels here. So if you guys remember, Polygon at its downside low here in this in this current cycle that we're in, basically, it is basically going down there at it right now, okay? And once before we touched down in here, even just earlier this year, or earlier this month. But other than that, you take a look at the 1 year, guys, this thing is really, really low down there. Now, we did, back in June of 2022, go down into the mid-30s one time. And that is where we could be heading next. And listen, if we hit there, I want to pounce all over this. Let me take you inside this because this is showing us some interesting things. Currently hovering slightly above the pivot point at 54 cents. A breach of this level might expose Polygon to a further descent towards the 40-cent mark. That's a downside of 27%. So what am I doing right now with Polygon? I am waiting. But according to Martinez, Ali Martinez, crypto analyst, this vital support at 40 is currently being guarded by nearly 4,000 addresses holding over 70 million MATIC. So 40 cents could be the level we come down to. And if we do, this will be an unbelievable opportunity because let's just do some quick, easy, dirty math here. At 40 cents, let's put the ruler down in here at 40. All right, there's 40. Let's just say we wait until we come back up to where we are now, just at 55 cents. That represents a 36% move just to get back to where we are now. Now, what if we hold our 40 cent, what if we accumulate at 40 cent and hold it to about the local top here of $1.50, $1.54? You're looking at a 281% move. This could be a massive opportunity to accumulate MATIC right now, whether it's short-term or long-term, and literally get 250% next time it moves up to its local high, which we were just there in February 2022. You guys know how I feel about MATIC, and I have my long-term bag all set, but I'm going to trade this thing in the short term as well. We're going to see what happens next with Polygon MATIC as we continue to tumble here in the last month or so. What's going to happen next? We'll be right here breaking it down for you. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.